Today I will be showing a couple quick tips as to how to organize your Gmail account. These tips, they're not done in exactly the same way, but pretty much every email program has these available. I know Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, and every other email account I've ever had has these. So even if it's not this exact same thing, you can go hunting for it in the future and something similar should be there. I've made my arrow giant and purple to hopefully make it easier to see. The first thing I'm going to suggest doing is going over here on the left side and clicking on this More tab and scrolling over to the bottom. There's an option for Create New Label. I would recommend creating labels for each of your classes. So for right now, I'm going to call these English, create, and create another one called Math, create. And then if you scroll back up here, you'll see that underneath your inbox, a little bit further down, underneath drafts, you have English and Math. One of the things that I've done in the past is every time I read an email, I'll move it from my inbox into one of these folders. And once I'm done with that email and don't have to worry about it anymore. And that is one way to organize your email. To get rid of all of the stuff that's currently in your inbox, one of the other things that you can do is if you go into one of these, so we will go with this one here, test one. You can go to these three little dots over here and it says More. And one of the options is filter messages like these. If you click on the filter messages like these, it'll take everything from that email address that you chose there, and you can create filter. And the two important ones here are apply the label. We're going to put these in Math. So choose to put them in Math. Now, if you want any message from this person to go directly to the Math folder without even going to your inbox, that's another option for organizing these. It takes a little bit of work to get it up and running, but once it's done, this will automatically put your emails from your teachers in separate folders, and you'll be able to see that there is new email there later. I'll go into that a little bit further later, but if you want that to happen, you click on the skip the inbox box. And the other option is down here, also apply filter to for matching conversations. That will take everything that is currently in the inbox and move it to that Math folder. So we want to do that just to help clean up our inbox some. And so we have those three items clicked and then create filter. And if we go back to our inbox, we'll see that a bunch of the emails have moved. And if you see down here in Math, we have this number 3 and it's bold. That means there are 3 unread messages in that inbox. So if we go here now, you can see that everything from that email address went into that inbox, and the ones that have not been read are there showing as not read. So we can go through here and read these individually, go to the next message, next message, next message. So all of those have now been read. Go back to our Math inbox. We can see that everything has been read there. Similarly, just as another option to do that, again, you can go into one of these. These are sent from a different email address. And we go to the 3 little dots, filter messages like these, create filter, and skip the inbox, apply the label. We'll put these in the English folder, and also apply to 3 matching conversations, and again, create filter. And you'll see, if you go back to our inbox, you'll see we have no new mail in our inbox. Our English has 2. go into our English. You can see that's the one we read, and 1, array, 2, and everything has been read there. So another thing, just to show how well this works, it will send another email to this, and this may take a minute here. So send back to our inbox here. We can see that we suddenly have one that's popped up in math. So if we go to our math folder, we have this new email that was just sent, and we didn't see it in our inbox. It didn't go to the inbox. It went straight into the math folder because it was from the same email address. So you can set up the folders and the email addresses to have people from that email address be sent directly to those folders. And as long as you keep an eye out over here for what's bold, you can see all of the new emails that come in, and hopefully that will help you sort the mass of incoming emails that you're getting a little bit better. Thanks, and I hope this was helpful for you.